So here the first question is, an accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degrees will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock in the afternoon? So here listen, the accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning, and now the question is, through how many degrees will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock in the afternoon? So first what we are going to do is, we are going to find out the duration of this time. That is, we are going to find out the number of hours between this 8 o'clock and this 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So here listen, from 8 to 2 we have totally 6 hours, isn't it? So there are 6 hours. Now we already know the angle traced by our hand in 12 hours, isn't it? So here angle traced by our hand in 12 hours. So this is equal to what? This will be equal to 360 degree, because this is angle traced by our hand in 12 hours. So that will be equal to 360 degree. Now here the hours is 6. So therefore we have to find the angle traced by the hour hand in 6 hours. So what we have to do first is, we have to find the angle traced by the hour hand in only 1 hour. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to this 360 divided by 12. So if we divide these two values, then we will get the angle traced by the hour hand in only 1 hour. But here we need the angle traced by the hour hand in 6 hours. So with this, if we multiply 6, then we will get the required answer. Now if we cancel these two values, we get 1 by 2, and if we divide 360 degree by 2, then we will get 180 degree. So therefore out of these 4 options, option B, 180 degree is the required angle. Now the next question is, the difference between simple interest and compound interest on rupees 900 for 1 year at 10% per annum reckoned half yearly is. So first what we are going to do is, we are going to find out the simple interest. So here what is the value of principal? The principal is rupees 900, and the number of years T is equal to only 1. And now the rate of interest R is equal to 10%. Now by using this only, we are going to get the required simple interest first. So the simple interest will be equal to what? PNR by 100. So here this is equal to, the value of T is 900. The number of years N equal to this 1 year into the rate of interest R is equal to this 10 divided by this 100. Now if we cancel these two values, we get 9. So 9 into 1 into 10 will be equal to rupees 90. So this is what? The simple interest. And now we are going to find out the compound interest. Then only we have to find the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest. So first what we have to find? We have to find the amount after this 1 year. So amount after 1 year is equal to, what is the formula? Here listen, the interest is compounded half yearly. So therefore the formula is T into 1 plus this R by 2 divided by 100 whole power 2 into T. So this is equal to, the value of T is 900 into 1 plus the value of R here is what? 10. So 10 divided by 2 will be equal to 5. So we get 5 by 100 whole power 2 into the value of T is 1, because the number of years is 1. So now this is equal to this 900 into, here if we take the LCM of 1 and 100, we get 100. So 1 into 100, 100, 100 plus 5 is 105. So 105 divided by 100 whole power 2 into 1 is 2. So now this means what? This means 900 into this 105 by 100 into 105 by 100 will be the required amount. Now if we cancel these two values, we get 9. So now we get 9 into this 105 into this 105 divided by 100. If we multiply these three values and if we divide it by 100, then we get the required amount as rupees 992.25. So this is the amount, but we need the compound interest. So this will be equal to what? Amount minus the principal. So this is equal to rupees 992.25 minus the principal here is rupees 900. So if we cancel these two values, then we get rupees 92.25 as the compound interest. Already the simple interest is rupees 90 and the compound interest is 92.25. So what will be the difference? So the difference is equal to this compound interest minus the simple interest. So this is equal to rupees 92.25 minus rupees 90. So if we subtract these two values, we get rupees 2.25. So this is what the required difference. Hence out of these 4 options, option B, rupees 2.25 is the required difference.